Trying to do this metal power single replacement reaction lab using these chemicals with magnesium, copper, and zinc metals. These metals here, using magnesium, copper, and zinc. And we are going to react them with silver nitrate, magnesium and silver nitrate, magnesium and zinc nitrate, magnesium and hydrochloric acid, magnesium and copper sulfate, and then do the same with copper and zinc. So what I have here is all the bottles that we use with these chemicals of the solutions that we did going down, and then we have the actual results of the experiment. We have magnesium and copper and zinc, and we're going across each row, and we have it with silver nitrate and zinc nitrate and the acid, which now you see the metal all the way gone and a lot of the zinc is gone. The copper didn't react. And then we have it with copper chloride. So basically what we're showing here is single replacement reactions with this precipitate, with the metal. You can see it being fuzzy and gross because something grew on the metal piece. These are the original pieces where you see these two didn't react, the copper didn't react. This also didn't react, it just looks blue and dark because the blue copper. See, copper doesn't react with copper sulfate. Okay, they don't react with each other, like zinc will not react with zinc nitrate. The metals don't really react with themselves, they don't replace themselves. So that's basically results. So what you're seeing here is all of the reaction happened with silver nitrate. It possibly could have had a reaction here. Some of you guys might have made this yes and reacting here. You're going to say yes when you see a precipitate like in this column. The magnesium is reacting with silver. The copper is reacting with silver ions. And zinc is reacting with the silver liquid aqueous solution. So that definitely did react with the silver ions. Okay, if you go over to the acid, you really can't see the remnants because the reaction's already happened. So I've got some test tubes I'll show you here in a minute about those reactions. Then you have the magnesium with the copper. You see a reaction. Also the zinc and the zinc and copper sulfate as well. You actually don't see any blue at all anymore. Notice that this is blue because it didn't react. Well, there's no blue anymore, no blue copper sulfate. Remember how copper sulfate is a blue liquid like it is right here. And so all of the copper is forming on that zinc. All of the copper is forming on that magnesium. So that is proof that there is a reaction for the first two. The first two react. The first and the third react. The first and the third react. The first and the third react in the copper column. The first and the third react in the acid column. It may have reacted with the top only in the zinc column, and it reacts all the way through with silver nitrate. Okay, let me show you the reaction with metal. I've got some zinc in this test tube, and I've got some magnesium in this test tube, and I'm going to pour some acid in both, okay, just to show you the reaction more bigger scale. I tried to walk around most of the classes, and you basically see them both fizzing. Magnesium's on my left, zinc's on my right, and you definitely see them